Welcome to InterConnecta Academy, your channel to learn and master Zoho. If you've already watched our previous videos, you know that in Zoho CRM any user can create custom modules without needing to code. But now, with the smart support of ZIA, Zoho's artificial intelligence, this process is much simpler, faster, and more accessible. Stick around, because in this tutorial I'll show you how to do it step by step. Traditionally, CRM has been the exclusive domain of the sales team, but the reality of modern organizations demands that areas like customer service, finance, operations, or legal also be able to access and manage key customer information. With Zoho CRM, this barrier disappears. The system evolves to become cross-functional, allowing each team to work with the information they need in a secure and segmented way. And this is where ZIA comes in. ZIA is more than just an assistant. It's a cognitive engine that understands your CRM structure, business logic, and operational needs. Do you know what the result is? It lets you describe a module in natural language, and it builds it for you. Let's imagine you're part of the legal team and you need to keep track of the contracts you negotiate. You go to the Create Module section with ZIA and type something like, I want a module to record contracts linked to opportunities, with the ability to upload PDF files. ZIA Internet understands that request and builds a functional structure, including key fields, contract name, contract owner, or person responsible, a direct relationship with an opportunity which is a lookup field and a field for uploading attachments. All of this is connected to the sales workflow you already use. You can adjust fields, set visibility rules by profile, and establish relationships with other modules. There's no need to touch a single line of code. You just have to review ZIA's proposal, and the new module will be ready to use. At InterConnecta Academy, we promote the idea that artificial intelligence shouldn't be a luxury for technical teams, but an everyday tool for any role within an organization. This kind of smart automation is what allows you to scale processes, reduce dependency, and gain operational autonomy. Follow us for more content like this and get access to our personalized training on the strategic use of Zoho CRM.